Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. It's probably not going to be super short because this is a huge box and I believe probably has multiple items in it. This is a total mystery. In fact, the person who sent it was a patron and said, hey, I've got some stuff I want to send you, and he was adamant about not telling me. And I was like, oh, all right, yeah, okay. So this was something really generous from a patron. So I'm excited to get in here and check it out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, I'm just infinitely intrigued by this. I don't, for those of you wondering, does he accept like mystery items? Not usually. Not usually. But this person's been a patron for a long time. Usually I have to, like, people have to tell me what they're sending because, you know, I upload twice a day, so 14 times a week. I have a schedule, so I have to make sure I know exactly what's coming in so I know how to fit it into my schedule, which sounds silly, but after a while you really do have to kind of keep control of that. But this person's been a patron for a long time, and so I thought, okay, you know, no problem. Okay, so there's one item, and then we have, oh, we have another really cool item. Holy moly, dude! What on earth? What is happening? Oh my gosh! What on earth? Jeez, Kyle! Holy cow! Hang on, hang on. Let me read this. Dear Metal Complex, thank you for all the great content and building one hell of a community. To say thanks, I'll leave you a small care package to help fuel your next giveaway. Dude! Holy cow! Thank you. We will get into all this, I promise. Giveaway videos are my favorite, not because you have more chance of winning something, because it brings the community together, brings in new people, and I just love the camaraderie. We talked via email, and I said I'd buy more knives, lights, and other EDC gear that I could ever use. Yet, here I am, ordering more every week. I guess that's the EDC bug. There's worse problems to have, I suppose. Spoken man. Yes, absolutely. Keep up the good work, and thank you for the great community you created. Hashtag EDC Life, Kyle. P.S. Sorry about my awful handwriting. Never a strong suit. Actually, your handwriting is excellent, dude. That was very easy to read. Very, very cool. If you see Kyle, now I have a few different Kyles that I interact with on the channel, but if you see him down in the comment section, if he wants to make himself known, please give him a huge thumbs up. This is meant for giveaway purposes, right? So I now have a massive amount of stuff to give away, either during the 50K live stream or on a separate giveaway, which I'm not sure if I want to do it all at once now. It might be fun to do, you know, a couple, or it might be fun to do it all together. Either way, I agree with Kyle. That's why I do my giveaways on live streams, because it's really fun to have everybody there at the same time. Not that it's a massive benefit to me or the channel to have a mass audience in there. No, it's just really fun. I just like doing it. Let's start off here. I can't believe this. Let's start off here with the Artisan Cutlery. This is a pretty heavy box. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting... Oh my gosh, is this the... I gotta be careful because it's obviously spring-loaded. This is it? Yeah, it like springs out. That's the little multi-tool thing from Artisan Cutlery. Oh man, that is cool. So I obviously didn't do that right. I feel like this is supposed to like... Is it supposed to like spring out? Maybe I just don't know. People who are like ballast on people are like, oh my god, this guy sucks. Sorry, I don't know how to ballast song. But this is it's not a blade. It's just like a multi-tool that is like a ballast song. This was one of the. This has been around for a little bit, I believe, unless they did an alternate variant of it. What do we call this? We definitely don't call it the patent pending. Do we have is there a name on it? I can't remember. I'll link this stuff down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. But that's super cool. Let's put this guy right over here. I kind of want to do this little guy right here because I'm not sure if it's actually a Spyderco or if it's something else that's just going to fit in the Spyderco box. Let me see if I can. Have to use the scalpel. There we go. What do we have? Oh, we got to do the other side too. There we go. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, it is a little Spyderco, the little Spyderco slip joint. So this is the Rhodey. Very cool. I've actually been interested in reviewing this too. Man, I'm going to have to get a whole bunch of reviews done because these are, so far, these are two things that I've not checked out yet. Very cool. So these are N690 and it's a little, it almost has a little snap to it right there, right? And then a nice mid stop and then close. You can kind of, yeah, maybe not. I don't know if I want to dare pinch open it, but it's very easy to just open with two hands. Has that nice little choke up position Spyderco's known for. Very cool. All right, awesome. We have something in a Hogue box. Oh, that one's already open, okay. Hogue and HK. What do we have here? Oh, man, this was one of the first knives that I reviewed. The Exemplar. So for a long time, like still to this day, this knife is super underrated. This is an excellent knife. And if I remember correctly, it came out around the same time that the RSK MK1 G2 came out. And it got overshadowed by it to the point where it was, I mean, this is a really good knife. These are 154 cm US made, and I believe a combination of G10 and then some sort of, traction insert stuff. But yeah, super smooth able lock. I really liked this knife, and I mentioned it a long time ago. You can go back and watch those reviews. There's an old top 10 that this went in where I was talking about how this was like mega underrated, and I still think that. So yeah, very, very cool. That's not an inexpensive knife. In fact, the combination of all this stuff is not at all inexpensive. I definitely know what this is because I had one sent a while back. Oh my gosh. So this is the Warrior Mini. And it's like this sort of bronzed finish. Very cool. These are nice flashlights, guys. Absolutely. I wish that I don't think I have, no wait, he did include the battery and the charger for it. So that's awesome. Not inexpensive at all. Really good flashlight. In fact, the one that was sent to me by Olight was actually ended up being a gift from my dad. And my dad owns a construction company and uses it constantly. He said it's been dropped. It like fell down in this vent, and was on, and he had to dig it out from the end. But yeah, he said it's been great. So this is really, really cool. If I remember correctly, it's capable of something like, what's the lumen count on it? 1500 lumens. Yeah, so pretty good. And then it's got multiple settings. I actually just really like the size of it. The fact that it's got a button back here and up here. Pretty cool. This is a really nice flashlight. Thank you. Let's put this up here by it. We have another flashlight. Let's take a look here. Oh, this is an Olight. What do we have here? I3ECU EOS. And it looks like it's most likely, oh, it says push. Is it little copper keychain light? Yeah. So I have a little keychain light about this size on my keychain, and I love it. And I use it constantly. I wonder if the battery's problem. Oh, here we go. It's a AAA battery light. So that's neat. A lot of people really prefer those over the rechargeable ones, but this is cool. And it looks like it's probably, what's the lumen? Up to 120 lumens, which is really all you need in a light like this. This is the type of light that you're going to have on your keys and use when you drop something in between the seats in your vehicle, right? You just need just enough light to be able to see it, or you get something under the couch, right? That's what I use mine for, and it's been a godsend. So that's super cool. Let's make sure and keep these together. We'll put that right there. Very cool. This feels like a Kaiser box. Is it? Okay, well, it has that. Yeah, Kaiser. Okay, so what do we have here? Something, I can't really tell by the weight. Oh, I don't think I've handled this one yet. All right, full titanium, nice blade profile. It's got the little opening hole. All right, let's try it out. Yeah, you can absolutely do it. So what do we have here? S35VN and KYRE. So that must be the name of is that the name of the knife? Do we have... Yeah, so here we go. Designer is Azo. Kesmic is the name of this knife. S35VN in titanium. Again, not an inexpensive knife. Obviously running on bearings. This is kind of giving me Hinderer vibes, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that'll definitely make somebody happy. S35 and titanium knives from Kaiser are well priced for their competition, but still not cheap. Absolutely. And that looks to be in really, really good shape. So thank you again. Gosh, this is unbelievably generous. Last one here. I'm excited about this if this is actually what's inside here, because I have had this knife in my shopping cart many, many times because it just looks like an ideal fixed blade. And, oh man, this might end up being one that I go and buy for myself. Super cool, super cool. Let's get the exact name here. This is the Cold Steel Srk Compact. Yeah, I love the handle profile of this. I love the feeling, the material on here, and the texturing on there. And then what we've got here, it says SK5. I'm not sure what the steel is on this, but what a wonderful fixed blade. What a wieldy fixed blade. It's a great size, very comfortable. You don't really need a forward choil on this guy because you're so close to the edge. Nice blade stock too. As per usual, cold steel coming in with excellent fit and finish. I think that'll make somebody really happy. Look at all this stuff. Kyle, man, that's so nice. Unbelievably nice of you. I'm so excited about this. So we have a lot of new stuff here to give away, and all of it, rest assured, all of it will be given away as Kyle intended there via his note. This is really cool. So again, we've got the Kaiser knife, we've got the Olight Warrior, we've got the mini copper keychain knife, the Hogue HK Exemplar, Cold Steel Srk Compact, the Spyderco Rhodey, and then we have the Balisong multi-tool from Artisan Cutlery. Man, what a haul. Seriously, if you see Kyle down in the comment section, please give him a thumbs up. I knew that he was sending some stuff, and I told him, I said, that's really, really cool of you, but I had no idea that this was the level that, of stuff that he was bringing to the table. So Kyle, seriously, thank you, man. Very, very cool. Again, I don't know if we'll do this. So now that we have, for anybody who doesn't know, 50,000 subscribers, that mark is coming up. I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. I've been telling everybody subscribe. Make sure you're ready because I got a lot of stuff. I had 6 items to give away. Now that has more than doubled. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's literally doubled. Which means if you guys have ever been a part of my giveaway live streams, if I tried, I try to give something away, or in the past I've tried to give stuff away like every 5 minutes live. That is absolute chaos. So either it's all going to be given away in one live stream and it'll be a 2-hour live stream, or we'll do 2 separate giveaways, maybe 2 separate 50K celebrations, and we'll do them a week apart or something like that. That might be fun. Either way, it should be a lot of fun. So give Kyle a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that day. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's super exciting unboxing. Thanks again, Kyle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.